Hello everyone, this is Soham with Nurse's Tube. Today I will be talking about a respiratory system. What is that? Hmm? Respiratory system looks pretty bad, I know, but yes. I would like to simplify each term and tell you why we have this system and what actually does. And there are different diseases we face everyday basis. Especially we nurses see a lot of people coming because of asthma, pneumonia, emphysema, hospital-acquired pneumonia, this kind of stuff. So this is all in our respiratory system. So respiratory system is basically the upper and lower part of what I mean by that is this upper side of the body is our respiratory system in the thoracic cavity. So we got two lungs there. So this is right hand. So right side of the lungs is right lungs, and this is left hand. So this is left side of the lungs, left lungs. And this right lungs is divided in three different lobes, like upper lobe, middle lobe, and lower lobes. And the left side has only two lobes, upper and lower lobes. Anyways, now I'm going to talk about more in detail. So before you get into any diseases, first thing you need to know how the system works, how the pathophysiology, anatomy of the system, how it works. So, okay, now, so try to draw this system where, what is that? This one is actually our trachea. Good. Not working. Anyways, this is trachea. Trachea. So oxygen comes in through mouth, nose, goes down the system, which is our trachea, and then it actually further goes down. So if there is no obstruction or anything, clearly it goes down through the smooth muscles, and then it actually goes to the lower part of the lungs. Now, what's next? So this one, obviously, this one is called. I try to draw it the other side. Okay, this one is called bronchi. Bronchi. Okay, so this is actually looking like an upside down tree. So our respiratory system is just like an upside down tree. So first this is the big branch, then it branches out to the small one, then smaller, and then we get flower or fruits. So pretty much the big trunk of the tree is trachea trunk. Then we got divided into two main branches, and two main branches is bronchi or bronchus. Okay, and then subdivided into small branches, and these small branches are called bronchioles. Bronchioles. Okay, and then when the bronchioles ended, what I try to say is then we got flowers and fruits, and it's called alveolus. Single flower or fruit is alveolus, and combination of everything is alveoli. Okay, simple, isn't it? Pretty much. So trachea, bronchi, the big trunk, the base of the tree, trachea, bronchi, just like an upside down tree. Just like that. You turn it down, and this is how it is. Yes. So, yeah, trachea, bronchi, then we got bronchioles, then alveoli. Now, the question is, where does the gas exchange happen? So, oxygen comes from outside, goes inside the trachea, bronchi, bronchioles, alveoli, then obviously goes to the body. Now, where does this oxygen and carbon dioxide similarly comes out of the body, goes up, go to the trachea, and goes outside of the body. So the gas exchange happens in trachea, is it? Or bronchi, or bronchioles, or alveoli? Where does it happen? Or everywhere? Now, the gas exchange happens in alveoli because we got a capillary beds here. And in this bed, oxygen comes in, goes to that, goes inside Then from capillary beds, it actually goes to the um, uh, arteries. Carbon dioxide comes from the body, goes. So where does the carbon dioxide come from? So carbon dioxide comes from the lower part of the body, let's say, and then goes to the superior or inferior vena cava, goes to the heart, atrium, goes to the right ventricle, then pumps out, then goes to the pulmonary arteries, goes to the lungs. So from pulmonary arteries, it goes to the lungs, and in this lungs we got alveoli, and then it goes to the capillary bed, goes out of the body. Similarly, when it comes in, oxygen comes in, trachea, bronchi, bronchioles, alveoli, capillary beds, and then goes to the pulmonary vein, and then goes to the left side of the atrium, heart. So this is left atrium. So so this is how actually this happens. So gas exchange happens in alveoli. So if anywhere we got any obstruction, whether in trachea, bronchi, bronchioles, or anywhere, then we actually get problem. So there are different diseases we find. What are the diseases? We got asthma. Oh, this pen is not working. Asthma. Number one problem. We face so many, all the nurses now, they got so many different people coming in for because of asthma. Ventolin responsive ways, they're staying here for maybe a couple of days or maybe a day and then going back home with medication. Okay, then we got bronchitis. Then we have emphysema. Okay, so basically, and we also got pneumonia. So these are the basic ones I'm talking about, pneumonia. So some people say these two are, some books say these are COPD, chronic obstructive pulmonary disorder. Some books also include asthma in chronic pulmonary disorder. So I'll be talking more in detail about these different diseases, what are the signs and symptoms, what we do, and what are the medication for those. Okay, thank you.